Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Tips Home Life. Hope you are all doing well. So today I'm making a pay, and you can find so many versions, so many ways pay recipe on internet, and this is one of them. I try to make or you can try to make in a different way also. So this is one of the recipe. I'll use suji semolina, and I add some of the rice flour, chickpea flour, and mix with liquid curd, and add salt, some bell peppers, chopped bell peppers, tomato, fresh coriander, green chili, salt, and mix it well. And lastly add eno, and pour this batter into a pie pan, and add oil in that, and mustard seed and sesame seed. Let it crackle, and then add this batter, and let it cook on both sides until it's brown and crispy. And you can enjoy hot appe with chutney or sauce, anything you like. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and see you soon next time. Take care. Bye. Annyeong. If you like this recipe, please do subscribe my channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye. Annyeong.